All right, so here is week 6, workout 1's overview. It's going to be 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off, and here we're going to go through the movements. So your first move is an air squat. I'm doing the prisoner squat variation, which means your hands are behind your head. You're going to keep your weight in your heels, your torso upright, and we're going to try and do this as fast as we can without compromising our form. So here's a side view. Make sure your knee is not jutting over your toes, and just keep moving. Here's a jump squat. So same form, weight in our heels, torso upright. This time you're going to jump at the top. So you want to make sure you're really powering through your jump. Use all your force. And yeah, that's a jump squat. Here's a Superman. This is going to be working your low back, your glutes. You're going to bring your legs up and your torso up in the same movement. You can also swipe your arms to the side. I prefer to do this just because I feel like it makes me hold at the top for longer. We have an alternating back lunge with a chop. Weight in the heel of your front foot, and you're going to chop towards the leg that's in front. So make sure you're rotating your core, engaging your core with this movement. This is also an ab exercise, which is cool. I kind of bring my chop in a circle, but you do not have to do that. Here we have a reverse plank with a march. You want to make sure that your hips are staying up. If they start to sink, just bring them right back up. You're going to bring your knee to your chest and alternate which leg that you're using. And lastly, we have a wall sit. Make sure your weight's in your heels again. You have that 90-degree angle. We do not want to go on our toes. And yeah, do whatever you want with your arms. You can dance a little bit. Just make sure you're not pressing down on your knees. And there you go. Good job.